Years ago, there used to be a king in Krishna kingdom. That king was quite strong and healthy. If there was one thing he liked the most, it was food. He always felt like eating something or the other. Due to eating every now and then, the king suffered from obesity. Over time, obesity increased so much that the king started falling ill. Every time, the doctors advised the king to eat less so that his obesity could reduce, but the king was not able to reduce his eating habits. One day again, he consulted a doctor who also advised the king to reduce his food intake. Due to this, the king became very angry. In anger, he announced, "In the state that whoever treats me well, will be given the desired amount." Along with this announcement, the king also placed a condition, that if no one could cure him, he would be beheaded. Then a wise astrologer predicted that the king of Krishna kingdom had only 1 month left. In a month, his life will come to an end. On knowing this prophecy, the king became worried. Because of fear, he could no longer sleep. The king put the astrologer, who made predictions, in jail. The king told his soldiers to imprison him for a month. From this it will be known how correct and how wrong its prediction is. Even though the king had put Jyotish in jail, the fear in his mind was increasing day by day. Due to fear, the king's food and drink also reduced. Due to the worry of his death, the king had lost his appetite. Eventually, a month passed. Due to worry and fear of his death, the king was not eating much, due to which, his weight also became less than before. As soon as 1 month was over, the king ordered the astrologer to be taken out of jail. As soon as the soldiers brought him to the king, they asked him, "Why did you make such a prediction? See, I am still alive today. Your prophecy has been proved false. Now I will get your head cut off, so that, in future you cannot trouble people by making such wrong predictions." Smiling, Jyotish told the king that before telling me anything, you should take a look in the mirror. See how your body has become today, solely because of my prediction, and how you were on the day I predicted. Today, looking at yourself in the mirror, you can say that you are healthier than before. Instead of increasing, your weight has decreased. As soon as he heard the astrologer, the king looked at the mirror. Seeing himself, the king was shocked. He was very happy. He said that, for a month, after hearing the prediction of my death, I was so upset that I could not even look at myself. In fact, there has been a lot of difference in my weight compared to before. Responding to the king, the astrologer immediately said, "I am your real doctor. I have helped you lose weight, and the treatment was exactly as you wanted. I just showed you a fear. I am not an astrologer. Just by being an astrologer, he was solving your problems. I showed a fear, and you reduced your food intake. As a result, today you look healthier than before." The king found his words absolutely correct. As per his promise, he gave him the reward he asked for. After giving the reward, the king thought a little that, when eating less, due to fear of death, had resulted in such an improvement in health, then one should not eat more. Thinking this, the king decided that in future, he would never consume more food than was necessary or hungry. Within no time, the king's health completely improved. His weight started getting controlled, and the diseases he was suffering from subsided. Lesson from the story. The first lesson learned from the story is that the biggest fear is death. Seeing death near, a person forgets everything. The second lesson is that eating more than one's appetite makes a person sick. Therefore, one should eat food in limited quantity only.